morning.
Where are we going today?
We're going to Chimney Bay today.
Where are we going?
Languiza.
No, we're going to Bone Island first.
Well, we're gonna check Bone
That
Island.
didn't turn out too good. That's what we were supposed to say. Going to Bone Island and possibly Languiza. This is
Canada Day.
Canada Day long
Don't
weekend.
know how packed the bays are today.
But look how the lake looks so beautiful today. Saturday sucked. But
Get
Sunday-
the picture of that boat with the
that big
nice
boat.
and calm the water is.
It's nice and calm the water is. Beautiful. Such a beautiful day. Yeah.
Everyone's
you.
having fun on the water.
Woohoo!
How many is it?
I don't know. It's like
2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm counting so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. Now it's a party. That looks like my brother. Can you
Are you
imagine if that was my
getting
brother? Huh?
Are you?
It's red. It's blinking.
No, but you can't see the screen.
Touch it.
Huh?
Touch it.
No, but how do you know where you're pointing at? You can't see the screen.
Well, I can get the gist.
You need a nice bigger.
I need a nice
Camera.
bigger camera.
Hey, sea-doos are fun.
Wow.
There's Tomb Island straight ahead.
That's 2 Island.
Is it Tomb Island? Yeah, that's Tomb
Yeah,
Island.
2 Island. Why do I see lights and trees? What's that about?
So when you're coming down the channel, if you line up your boat with those 2 red lights,
Yeah.
then you're safe because there's going to be stones and rocks and very shallow on each end.
Okay.
So you're supposed to go more to the left to line yourself up.
Right.
So when those 2 markers are lined up
Yeah.
together,
Yeah.
then so we're at 48.
Okay. Yes, I'm watching you. Hello. I'm filming you. You'll be in our video.
Yeah, I got you. I got you on camera. You on Kansas camera now.
And there goes my
Wow.
TV. And there goes.
We're going to line up ourselves with the red lights.
Line it up.
So now that you're lined up with the 2 red lights, you know you're safe. Then very shallow left and right of the rocks. Bay.
Let's see. Where?
Down there is the entrance for Hockey Stick Bay.
Okay, so where are you pointing? Which way? This way?
So you see that opening there where those boats are going in?
Yes.
That would be Hockey Stick Bay.
Okay. That's Hockey Stick Bay. Where
Yeah,
where-
you're off to your right. it looks like it's this one here.
Sorry, that we were wrong.
Yeah, right there.
That one. That's Hockey Stick Bay. That's the entrance to Hockey Stick Bay.
Yeah.
That's where
That's where some friends are going tonight.
Yeah, a lot of our people from the marina went there tonight and tied up.
Yeah, they're gonna be right there. Where we're gonna go right there. Ooh, stop, stop. We're gonna go right there, and we're over here.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So,
But most likely there's already a bunch of boats.
probably. But it'd be good to see. It's a noisy radio. It'd be good to see anyway, just to see it. I mean, I've always, people always talk about Bone Island, so it'd be nice to see. Regardless.
Yeah. So see that sailboat there? That's from our marina.
Yeah.
It's one of our
ours.
docks.
Yeah. Hello, boys. I think we passed this way before going to Languiza, didn't we? This looks
You have
familiar.
to pass this way.
Yeah.
Languiza is going to be straight to your left.
Oh, okay.
Where Bone Island, where we want to go, is straight to your right.
Oh, okay. Okay. Gotcha.
80 feet of water in here.
Wow. So pretty. Like these cottages that are up here, look how nice that one is. Oh my god. Look at it be.
All the materials being brought by boat.
Yeah, we watched them. We actually met somebody that was his job, moving like items across the lake to cottagers. Nice guy. Shout out to Jim.
Jim? Jim! Yeah, that's where Jefferson, see that little hook in there? The
Yeah.
sailboat turret? That's where he's going to be for the next few days.
Oh, okay, so at least we know where he is. Yeah. Nice. I think that's Lizanne is over there, I think she said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll go by with the dinghy and
That'd be quite the dingy
say
ride.
hello. 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 That was, what movie was that?
Hello. 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 What? Oh. Hello. Hello. Go away. Go away.
He's towing his dinghy just like we are.
Is he towing or does he have it on a... Oh, he's towing, yeah.
He's towing just like we are. Because he doesn't have a davit system like we do. We haven't decided on one yet. It's hard
Because
to
of
figure
our
out.
dock.
Wow, you gotta make sure.
I was just checking out my depth sounder, so I'm back.
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
And bass started the last Saturday in June, so that was what, last weekend?
Yeah. I have not had bass for, I want to say, 15 years now. Hey?
What?
We have not eaten bass fish for 15 years now.
Really?
Yeah, or even more than that. We used to come up here when we were kids. Well, teenagers. But not to this lake. We were Simcoe people. Lake Simcoe and Cooch. We go there fishing all the time. To the
That was
point,
home ground.
to the point that if work didn't seem appealing, that's where we'd be. Yeah.
Sir, just not at work.
No.
Is he homesick? Nope, he's in Lake Simcoe.
Fishing. What's in that? Look at that little crook in there.
So just around this bend here
Yeah.
is where our first option to anchor is,
Oh, okay.
but we shall see.
All right.
This guy's going to Languiza most likely. He's taking the same route to Languiza.
Does he make a left or it goes straight into Longuissa?
No, you gotta make a left in here.
That's what I thought. Yeah. I don't think he is going there. It doesn't look like he's going left. Maybe I could be wrong. Wouldn't be the first time.
gonna
see.
go out more so I can see the hook.
Yeah.
So I can always go around and come back into the hook. I don't want to go towards the hook and then have to make a U-turn
No, yeah.
or start pulling some bolts out.
Oh, you're such a tough guy.
It's my spot.
Oh, it's so, it's, that's nice. I hope Languiza's not full of boats. But there's lots of room in Longuissa, even if it is. I hope.
Longuiza, there's always lots of room
Yeah.
for a lot of
So
boats.
we have, well, there's room everywhere. We have options. Look at that. That's pretty.
Yeah, most likely, I think it's gonna.
Is this Bone Island here?
Yeah. So there's a hook in here,
I see.
and this is where I want to stay. But see, there's
Oh,
already
look at
boats.
that. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Well, we'll see how many there is. Or it could be
Are they, is that a beach? Are they-
dock.
Oh, there's a dock there? No. Is there?
Doesn't look like it. Is there people in there? I don't see anybody.
Well, where'd that dinghy come from? I'm sure there is.
Huh?
There has to be, because where'd that dinghy come from? I don't know. I'm trying to get a better view.
Nobody. Oh, yes, there is.
Oh, tons of boats. 1, for sure.
Yeah, there they are.
2, 3.
Oh, yeah, there's all kinds.
Oh, it's full up. So this is Bone Island, people.
Take it from the window.
I'll take it from the back here so you can see. That's, ouch, that's Bone Island. And it is full up, people. This is today. One island's there in the middle. You're not allowed to go on. It's private. It's
not private, it's protected.
protected, sorry. And the one on the right is where everyone takes their dogs to go to the bathroom, because this is privately owned area. Uh-oh, here comes the bugs.
Some guy fishing there?
What's that? Is that a horsefly?
Look like it.
Get off my wave, man. Whew, that's chilly. There's that's for sale there too. So that must be all part and parcel. Must be a big chunk. Okay, goosebumps. Oh, there's some boats. There's a lot of boats. 1 there. Couple there. Not so bad. Lots of room.
There's always room, yeah.
Yeah.
So you should get to the front and get the anchor loose and stuff.
Yeah, okay. Alright.
So we're here at Languiza and it's lunchtime. Some hot dogs. Our anchorage. Beautiful little spot. Just in the shade.
It's very nice shade.
The dinghy, very calm. There's a few boats for sure. Could have been worse. Now we're gonna try some fishing after lunch because we need bass for dinner. Good morning, it's Monday and it's breakfast time. Seems like Rory's cooking. The morning view. Went out fishing this morning. Almost caught a pike. Water is 71 degrees, so very warm for a lake, anyways, for Georgian Bay. This is the Weber barbecue. We put a cast iron pot in there and works very well.